everybody, Chill Brown Vegan here. Welcome back to another vegan recipe video. Today I'm going to show you how to make that viral TikTok feta pasta. Let's get into it. So I have my pan. This is an 8x8 baking dish. I'm going to go ahead and pour in some grape tomatoes. And then I'm going to drizzle on a bit of olive oil. And then I'm adding a bit of black pepper and salt to taste. Give that a good mix up so that everything gets nice and combined. For the feta cheese, I'm using Just Like Feta by Violife. I have not tried this before, so I hope it's good. I did have to cut it down a little bit because I'm making a smaller serving, but go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on top of that. And then I did also decide to add in some Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper flakes, and some chopped garlic. I did already go ahead and preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to pop that in there for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to prepare my pasta and other add-ins. I'm using garlic and chive penne rigate. Go ahead and start heating a pot of water. I'm adding salt and olive oil. And then when it starts to boil, you're going to go ahead and add in your pasta. Cook according to the instructions on the package. And remember to stir. I like different textures and layers of flavor, so I decided to cook up one link of field roast sausage, and then I also added in some caramelized onion and mushrooms that I made earlier, adding just a little bit of sauce from the container, and then I mixed it so that everything can get nice and incorporated. Of course you can skip this step, but I really do think it adds a lot of deliciousness to this dish, so I hope you do give it a try. Or you can put your own spin on it by adding in olives, sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red peppers, or greens. And this is what it is looking like out of the oven, completely baked. You can see the tomatoes are nice and wrinkly. The block of feta cheese is completely melted and pretty much a liquid. But I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a wooden spoon, mix everything together. I'm also going to crush up the tomatoes to release the juice and add more flavor to the dish. And when it is all nice and combined, I'm gonna go ahead and toss in my pasta, field roast sausage, and caramelized mushrooms and onions, and give that a nice good mix up as well. Oh yes, and then I also added a generous sprinkle of nutritional yeast because what is a vegan without nooch? I don't even know. But like I said, give it a good toss up and this is what your final result will look like. This was very fast to make. It took less than 30 minutes to do the entire dish from start to finish. It was very delicious, extremely flavorful, a lot more flavorful than I thought. And I will definitely be making this again and experimenting with different things that I can add to this dish. But I hope you guys do give it a try. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more content. And write me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!